Welcome to the home of Crown Point Customs. Hey, welcome to Crown Point Customs. Got started already. Those 3 Dmascus blades I was kind of roughing out last time profiling. I just stuck them in, waiting for it to get to temperature so they could heat soak for a couple minutes and get ready to quench. So that's where we're at today. And if I got time today, I'm gonna, next one is those buck skinners. I wanna put the handle material came in for them. So hopefully we get that today. Shows how professional shit's going on. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. I like it. Ready? Okay. I like it. Oh, big boy. Oh. 3. I like it. All right, so we just heat treated those Dmascus blades. They're going to be tempering for an hour. Last time, if you guys watched a previous episode, I was doing those 2 buck skinners, and they were we etched them, I believe, and then they were soaking in the coffee. So let me go grab those, see how they turned out. So here they are. I left them in the coffee a few hours longer than I wanted to, and I like the results. They're stunning. I mean, they're pitch black and really chrome on the line. I'm really happy with how they came out. So here those are. Really pumped about them. So these are going to get the handle soon. This guy wants to see how this guy's handle is going to turn out before he decides on what he wants for his handle. But this one's getting a G10 with some orange liners, and the G10 is textured with, and it's OD green with orange liners and brass pins. So. All right, so these Dmascus blades are in here. They're about 10 minutes away from being tempered. If you come inside, I could show you what I'm working on next. Those buck skinners I was talking about that you've seen with the Dmascus. So it's getting these right here. These are, I'm not used to dealing with these. He wanted some kind of, he's gonna be skinning, so he's gonna need grip when he's gonna need grip when he's skinning, because he's gonna have blood on his hands. So he picked these out, which are diamond plated. What these are, I think, are gun grips for like a 1911, and he wants them on his blade. So for the added grip, it's going to be hard because normally I mount the pins with solid pins on here, and the pins are sticking out, and I buff them down, and I sand them down and cut them. But I can't sand them all the way down flush because it's textured right here. It needs the texture. So this is something I'm not really used to, kind of amateur at it, is Corby bolts. I know a lot of your knife makers are like, oh yeah, Corby bolts. So I'm getting used to it. So this is to drill the hole and countersink it, and I got some brass Corby bolts here, so I could screw them together and I can countersink it. So I won't be taking anything off the texture of the scales. And yes, that'll be next. The other guy wants to see how this one turns out, to see if he wants to even use these. But yeah. On another subject, we're making a Crown Point custom store, and we're going to be selling t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, apparel, you know, that kind of thing, stickers eventually. And I plan on selling some knives too, so I got a bunch of, I don't know, random, what, this one, a couple of knives here. I still got to clean up. They've been sitting here for a while, and shoot, I could throw these on there. So I got all these knives here. I'm probably gonna post them for sale, but I gotta clean them up. So I'm gonna clean one up, and then after I clean them up, I can show you how I sharpen my knives. So let's head over to the grinder. So now I'm just cleaning up the bevels. Do a little tracking. But time moves on. That's a good knife. Woo! Spicy. All right, cool. So shined up the bevels. So now I'll go over and sharpen it. All right. So this is how I sharpen my knives. There's more than one way to sharpen a knife. I know that, but this is how I do it. I had all the gimmicks. I bought all the grinders. This is the most efficient way for me to do it. So this is just a tri-axis stone I get on, I don't know, Amazon or whatever. It's got your medium coarse and you got your fine. You normally don't need coarse. By the time I'm done with my knives, I do medium to establish the edge. And you just, this is how I do it. So a knife has a primary and secondary bevel. Primary is the big one, secondary is your edge. So you're not gonna have an edge yet. So you go to the primary bevel. Here's flat. Primary bevel is one click up on this big bevel I've made here, and you tilt up just a little bit, boop, and I swipe. Same thing, landed on that big bevel that I made, up a little bit, flat, up, swipe. And this way, here's your flat, here's your first bevel, tilt up, swipe, same thing. And it gets to the point where you just go land on this bevel, press down, up, swipe. It gets to the point where it's muscle memory. Equal strokes per side. And then I move on to the fine. Primary, up, once again, swipe. And I use, this is a Smith stone, tri-axis, and they also have the Smith Honing Solutions, which is water-based. It not only hones, but it also cleans the grit out of your stone. So equals, they're like 29 bucks. You can get them anywhere, Google, Amazon, whatever. But one things that really bring it home, once you establish your edge, is I bring it over here to a leather strop, which is a piece of leather. I work leather, and I just mounted it to a 2x4 pretty much. And then there's green compound. I use green rouge, and I rub it on the leather. And this is a back strop, same thing. You hit your bevel, your flat, your bevel you make, up a little bit, and you go back. You just back strop it. Six, 7, 8, and you do equal sides. Backstrop it. What this does is it really polishes your edge to a mirror finish, and that gets it, I don't know if you could see it, but that gets it pretty good. So good I could, well, I don't know. Paper, you know, shave paper, or good enough to shave hair. Now I gotta explain that to my wife. Anyways, yeah, so that's how I do it. And now I got a shaved leg. So I just pulled these out of tempering. I started to clean this one up a little bit. Came out pretty good. Probably not going to get to the rest of it today, fully clean up and finish the bevels. But yeah, this is how they come out. They're still a little bit warm, but I like how they, no warping, so that's always good. That's why I leave them extra thick so they don't warp. So I'm pretty pleased with them. No cracks so far. Two back in, see how they look cleaned up. What's up, you guys? Crown Point Customs doing a giveaway. Giving away this, I call it the Crown and Coke, or the Jack and Coke knife. It's I call it my Chupacabra. It's a Tonto blade with a Kydex sheath. It's our first giveaway, so I'm doing this for YouTube because my YouTube game's whack right now. So let's get to the rules. You have to go on YouTube, subscribe to this, subscribe to my channel, like and comment below. When I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna pick from the comments on this video. And yeah, keep tuning in because I'm gonna be giving away, this is one of a stack of knives I'm gonna be giving away. And I have apparel coming in too. I got hats coming, I got tank tops, I got sweatshirts, I got shirts. So I'm gonna be doing a bunch of giveaways to build up my YouTube because it's super whack right now. So keep tuning in. Thank you for watching Crown Point Customs. Nice wrap up today. We heat treated these 3 Dmascus blades. This one's already sold, this little cleaver. But yeah, I talked about a little bit about you saw how the buck skinners came out. I didn't get to the handle today. You saw that I'm doing the giveaway for the Chupacabra, and then these other ones I'm gonna give away. I got a few more. So yeah, just kind of wrapping it up. Maybe I'll get to this stuff tomorrow. Just keep tuning in. Thanks for subscribing to Crown Point. Hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Alright, I gotta shave my arm again. Stupid. This one's ready.